Hello, Muisim Mamla, and that's our Hornbill TV Roundup News. Vice President M. Kaya Naidu Pratalaga सबसे पहला नागालैंड विजिट किया दे आईकार नेशनल रिसर्च सेंटर ऑन मिथुन मेचिफिमादी जैसे प्रोग्राम थका दे टाइप्रा साइंटिस्ट खांगे नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन दे रिच बायो रिसोर्सेस और लाइफ स्टॉक थकिया खांगे पचागिने रखुले काने इनोवेटिव रिसर्च क्रूले मतिशे North East India the bishi important biodiversity hotspot asikuina scientific institutions kan jaga laga hisab pra technology banauli lage kushe Vice President Prakushe idu center kuntu dunia laga ekta lota institute ase mithun ge pachagina rakhule idu pra bishi bhal kam kuri ase aru mithun do India laga unity in diversity spirit laga ekta symbol hule paribo kushe Naidupra Central Instrumentation Facility Laboratory bi visit kushe koditage unique Januar khan laga bimari aro diagnostics khan samjai dishe
National Research Center on Mithun, the only center in the entire world. So this is very important that way for the development of Mithun, which is the endemic to the northeastern states of India. I'm happy to know that the institute has been playing a key role for the past 3 decades in the conservation, breeding, nutrition, and health management of Mithun, which is also known as the cattle of mountain. It has also generated invaluable scientific data towards the understanding of this unique species. The northeastern region, friends, is one of the richest provinces of the world. Protecting, enriching northeast bioresources should be the top priority for the institute. I convey my best wishes to all the scientists and other technical people who are working here. Such institutes are very much required. Gattu, and it's an institute of its kind in the world. It's the only center. We should focus more attention and come out with more research and information.
Visit laga pichide Vice President Police Complex per ekta closed door meeting lushe State Governor Chief Minister or alak ministers kan logode aru samdi typra Directorate of IT Building Kohima Government High School buildings kan aru Ministers Residential Complex Kohima de virtually inaugurate kurdishe $58 Shamator Chesor Assembly Constituency laga by-election nimide aji United Democratic Alliance ticket ceremony Dimapur Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party NDPP headquarter day thagishe idu ticket to S Kyoshu Yimchungor NDPP laga party pra uncontested thugina paise 58 Shamator Chesor Assembly Constituency day by poll thagyado Tushi Wongton Kun Information and Public Relations, State Council of Education Research and Training and Village Council laga advisor thagishe. Tay Muria pichiri July 1 pra seat khali hujeshe. Program the NTPP, MPF or PJP laga party leaders can attend kushe. Election Commission pra announce kushe ki tinta Lok Sabha or 30 Assembly, 58 Chamator Chisor Assembly Constituency milaina by election October 30 di thagiwo. I will do laga details reporter Krakesuna Kyologode Janiwa.
Dimapur NDPP headquarters day United Democratic Alliance ticket ceremony for the by-election 2021 to the 58 Shamator Chisor Assembly constituency re ahina ase aru aji are NDPP BJP aru NPF la leaders kan mi ahina ase aru sources kumara kwa la hisab te hoile to ina tahan by-election karne tinta party ahine ina lokpal first time hole parina ko ina ase itu arne mani tu la program la details kan saine jaw
At the outset, I would like to express our deep gratitude and thanks to PTB and MPF for deciding to extend support to our NDPP candidates as a consensus among the candidate United Democratic Alliance. I would like also to express our thanks to YTC for taking a decision to set up only one candidate.
I, on behalf of the BJP, delighted to know that our brother Sri Keso is given a ticket, is standing for this 58 Samodar Chesore by-election representing our alliance government, which have full faith that it will add more positive beams in making the party and alliance government more stronger.
MPF has acknowledged the appeal letter of the NDPP, in where the NDPP has requested MPF not to set up the candidate in the ensuing by-election to the 58 Samator Jesor Assembly constituency in order to strengthen the principle of oppositionless government. In response to the requested letter, the Working Committee of MPF in its meeting held on 5th October at the Central Office, Kohima, decided to support the NDPP candidate for the upcoming by-election.
I can assure that I will be available for the party and will willingly accept any given assignment in the interest of the party. Finally, I reiterate my pledge of loyalty to this party towards being a person who brings about positive changes and development in my constituency and the state as a whole.
Me by-election to jidishe gole Falcam Grupo constituency di aro next 23 karni bi party laga nam uncha Grupo karni kam kuri kena jabo.
By-election 2021 la ticket to aji program de SQ Shu Yimchung ge di dishe tan announce kuishe aru itu NDPP ra specially NPF aru BJP khan gi bi thanks dishe tage uncontested hoine tage ina ticket to pauli diwo karne aru Ahia din kan doile further updates di thagyo itu garne sai thagyo Hornbill TV moi ase reporter ke Christine Yuke ho with camera person Seville.
Lota ho pra Thursday woka mera pani rasta de rasta banai thaga inspect kule jade kushina pajane she tagan rasta bana sawali jade ho laga vice chairman S Molmo Lota kun woka mera pani road construction coordination committee laga in charge PSA Tapra Kushi, Bishibra Construction Company ye appeal kuya pichdibi company pra detailed project report manuule parayanai. Aro rasta pura idu criteria namanigina banai dia kushe. 2019 de Lota Hoho pra construction company NHIDCL laga khilaf PIL file pikrushe DPR namanya karne. Ho pra Thursday package 2 kuntu 26 km pra 48 km dak jai tadi right of way ROW aro carriageway ge maintain kriya nai kuishe.
Laga package 2 ase 2 km 27,400 meters te ase. Aro etu last time independent inquiry ahadu daikan report kodoko manbar report tiado hele that work in progress. Holibi itiadak to till that no progress has been done it. Aro etu kan laga do itia protection bin nai, etu shoulder bin nai, drainage bin nai. So we are expecting hal goribo gina rukhi ase di. Etu laga etu itia do hele etu laga kam to na gori gina thaki ase. Etu bara command khan bi etu cholti gori gina etu laga kam to gori khatam kori dile bhal ase.
Side wa tegaron no some.
Man
Mon
लगा होले तो किने का रोड बोय तो किने का से तो इंजीनियर सब पारे को कोई दिले भाला से तुमन तो ओवरऑल
करे सुए तो 26 फीट हो लगे और रोड वे भी हिल रे तो भी 26 सेम भी ज्यादा ओ राइट अप वे तो मेंटेन करा नहीं जो कुमानी बरा जो ताखन राइट अप वे तो मेंटेन करे बोला के
to last time season judge
independent kore court para tia hisab te itu visit kora time de dai kan koa laga to the work in progress kori kena itu কাম তো যাই আছে কোৱা পৰা ৰিপৰ্ট দিছে হলে বি এতিয়া তাক তো till date itu laga একো progress নাই itu laga to stretch to 4.7 meters আছে suppose to itu to hole 5.5 meter হ'ব লাগে hole bi 4.7 আছে drainage bi নাই shoulder bi নাই
Lota ho prakushe taikan DPR laga provision hisab te taikan laga legitimate right karni larai krui thakiwa aro janaishe du rasta do lota manu aro also taga manu kan laga lifeline huani mide taxation or land compensation can be dapaigina ase idu homoide lota ho team prakushe idu project to NEC pra funding kriani mide Assam aro Nagaland sarkar pra idu rasta banade ikur rukhawli nai idu rasta do NST colony Merapani Foothill pra Merapani Uriam Ghat junction kuntu Assam choi idu 500 meters national rasta do nuchoigina ase kushe dispute area belt hua aro Assam side pra dictary ayani mide Dr. Nikki Saleh Nikki Kiri, Advisor of Urban Development and Municipal Affairs pra Ajir Naga Hospital Authority Kohima de 1000 liter per minute pressure swing absorption oxygen plant inaugurate krishe inaugural program khota kriya homoy Kiri prakushe Naga Hospital Authority Kohima de oxygen plant set up kurado bishi khushi paise aur tai pra inform kurado NHAK laga 1000 LPM oxygen do state laga subsidy angora se kushe
The best that we can do is I protect myself and in the process I'm protecting you as well. If we all have that feeling, I protect myself or you protect yourself and you are protecting me also. If that is what I feel we have to share with each other now. It's all God's plan. It doesn't mean that He has given us a thing which is bad. Yes, we have lost many friends, close, near and dear ones.
Mokchon District Minister of Higher Education and Tribal Affairs Timjin Imna Alongpra PSA oxygen plant inaugurate Korea Homoy Medical Fraternity ge kwado social media de ahado care no kribi aro nijo laga role aro journey de focus kribi kushe.
Through the pandemic of COVID-19, still we are in it. I'm proud of the district task force and the medical fraternity led by the CMO and the superintendent of this hospital, all the doctors, nurses and medical practitioners and the NGOs who have taken the bull by its horns in Mokchon district.
Mon District de MLA and Tongwang para District Hospital de oxygen plant inaugurate kriya homokushe Central or State Sarkar ge dhanyabad dishe facility provide kriya karne oxygen plant to second phase te paishe or type department in charge ke requests kurado ido operate kuruni mide expert technician ge appoint kuri kushe Zunapodo Devi LPM oxygen generation plant inaugurate or dedicate kushe Deputy Commissioner Zunaputo Peter Lichamo Prakota Kura Homoy District Hospital official kan ge balpra trained Kuramanu kan gibi operate kribo dibi kusha.
We thanked the Government of India through PM Cares and through the Government of Nagaland, through the Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Nagaland, and through the initiatives of all the legislators from this district and all the Sumni, Ho and all civil society organizations who have worked so hard in bringing this plant to our district.
Perende Deputy Commissioner Sinti Wapang Ayerpra District Hospital Perende PSA oxygen generating plant inaugurate kushe. Parentown Women Welfare Organization President Piling Grang Prak Sarkar our medical department ge facilities dia kani dhanyabad dishe. Wokadido MLA Dr. Chumben Muribra Dr. Motsu Memorial District Hospital de 250 LMP PSA plan inaugurate kushe. Dr. Muri pra Central Sarkar ge appreciate kushe. Ardo oxygen plant dia do manu bishi ki benefit hule se kushe. Tai kushe khali bimar manu nohigina private clinics kan bi bishi benefit hule ase aro district hospital debi nutun facility bishi lagi die se kuigina kushe. Menta khatak ta break lina Julie wapas ayo saregi Humble TV.
The best institutions teach the most, and not just teach a lot. NICSE believes in not just cracking one exam in life, but in an education that can also equip for the exam of life. Every day is a feather added, every day is a day conquered at NICSE. Be in the team of goal achievers, in the company of best learners, an environment for daily steps, daily efforts, daily learning and testing, daily corrections, daily molding, and daily succeeding for the ultimate success in exam. Crack the NPSC exam with NICSE. Coach with the best.
Welcome back, Humble TV there. The next news. Dimapur Deputy Commissioner Office Shift Kriya laga khilaf kurigina manukan itabi protest kuriyase DC Office Dimapur laga bahar puigina. Aji Civil Society Organization laga spokesperson benang pra press kange kota kuriya homo kushe. Tagan DC Office Shift kurigina dusra jaga de Luija laga ekla against kuriya nohe hulibi DC Office Dimapur laga ki branch hulibi shift kurigina dusra jaga de na jawo lagi kushe. Our government laga site per response na patak they can protest kuru kushe. I will do laga details reporter Kekresino Kyologo de Janiwo.
Yesterday's meeting in regard to Sir Jacob Zimomi, we have already published in the print and social media that our stand is very clear. We are totally against the shifting of DC office, not just DC but the DC office. Any file, any branch or any cell from DC office, we are totally against the shifting, and we have already published in social and print media, yes. And also in regard to today's publication paper, yeah. In regard to this, let me, before I respond to you, let me make one thing very clear, that DC is the administrative head, and administrative head comprises of ADC, SDO Civil, EAC, and all the branches. And we are against shifting of DC office, which means against the shifting of any of the branch or cell, not only the DC itself. Ami khan laga demando, ekta question bhi ase, that whether ADC posting yade laga transfer hoye ase na, DC office yade laga, EAC or ADC to, or they are creating a new post at elsewhere. So this is our question to the government. We want a clear notification or reply in this regard, because that is confusing the public also. Whether the EAC and ADC from Dimapur DC office will be transferred and shifted there, or whether a new post creation will be made at Chumu. That is very confusing. So government should make this a very clear stand to all the public.
Tomanyare Dimapur itu DC office tia hi ne itu CSOs kan itu kotha kule ina koine matia nishna ahia nishna itia tak pi tahan yare buhi ne ina protest kurase itu DC office shift kura la issue de aru tahan itu media fraternity kan lode kotha kura homoi koishi ki tahan itu DC office la de itu tahan ki against ase kole DC office entirely shift kura la eklan hoye hulibi DC office ra ina branch alag ki huli shift na kura lagi gosha aru itu Government of Nagaland alag office kan alag departments kan uthawle ase gole tahana khushi ase hulibi not at the cost of itu DC office Dimapur inai koishi aru yare rado DC office rado branch iku branch hulibi tahan shift koine alag jaga re na jawo lagi gone tahana demand itu ase kushi aru itia garne to tahan ina relating to this to response pa nai kushi itu arne tahan government la side ra iku ina response na patak tahan yare thagyo ina koine huni paise moyase reporter ke Christian Kyo ho with camera person Seville for Hornbill TV.
General retired Nikisumi or Starson Lamkang Nagapra lead Greener NSCNK Debra Delhi Naga Peace Talks laga interlocutor AK Mishra ge log pa janai she Group laga MIP pra press statement de kushe taikam pra interlocutor gi taikam la commitment shanti or naga peace talk de thaga do kushe aro naga manu kampra peace inclusive aro sob mania laga political solution mangya laga awas sunina India sarkar logode ceasefire agreement aro we revive kriya kushe taikan kushe NSCN GPR naga peace process ti ekta alag entity thagado arubi kwa nishina naga manu khan naga icha aro kushi dehi jawali kuhina edu khota khan de rasta bon nukru lebi kusha Manipur laga Imphal West District Thaka Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS State Union Minister of State for Minority Affairs John Parlapra PM Care Funds laga under the PSA oxygen plant inaugurate kridishe John Parlapra function de kushe idu PM Cares Funds under pra country sopte 35 PSA plants inaugurate kridise or oxygen kudibi comti no ule lagyado PM Modi laga vision ase tapra aro kushe ahia din khandi oxygen kumti no hubule nimide country laga jaga alak alak ti PSA oxygen plants othaise RIMS Director Dr. A. Shanta pra RIMS ke AIMS laga level di uthaule mangari Minister Prakushe jaga yadi minority species se edukani minority affairs ministry pra madat lage khan sob diwo ta pra RIMS Director ge Delhi di invite kushe health minister logo dibi khota kurule
इस PSA प्लांट का इनॉग्रेशन आज पूरा भारत के हर कोने में हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी 35 PSA प्लांट PM केयर फंड से आज पूरा देश के हर कोने में मोदी जी कर रहे हैं हम मोदी जी का जो विजन और जिस प्रकार से बीते दिन हम गुजरे कोविड-19 से और हमारे बहन डॉक्टर और पूरा मेडिकल स्टाफ आप लोग ने अपना जान हथेली में लेके काम किए सच में आप बहुत ग्रेट हैं
Rajya Sabha MP Lesa Hemba Sana Jawba or alang officials kan bidagishe function de Minister Pride function logo de Sub Bhavna Mandap Tuibong Lanva Model High School or PHSC construction bi visit kushe tapra yedi school bana kan saishe aro kushe schemes kan najania karni tik prachulauli na pragina se duni bidi grassroots level de awareness diule lage tapra state dithaga time the Christian or Muslim community members bishop or father kan ge log paina tai kan bi idu schemes kan laga opro manu kan ge awareness diule kubukushe tai community leaders kan ge bi log pawlese Direction Roundup News, Saragyo Humble TV.